an Italian 75, which is my Italianized version of a French 75, which is a classic drink that's gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, champagne. I'm changing that up a little bit. It's almost like a Campari, a Negroni with champagne. Instead of gin, I am using vodka. I'm gonna do about 2 ounces per drink. Hey, hon, do you know why they call it the French 75?
No, I do not.
So it was based on the 75 millimeter gun that the French army used in World War I.
Oh, wow. Doesn't a French 75 have brandy or cognac or something?
I've seen it with brandy or cognac. I've also seen it with gin.
But that's optional thing.
Right.
So you're making yours with vodka. I'm sorry, I just got here.
I'm making an Italian 75, which has
Italian 75.
vodka,
Okay.
some simple syrup, which I'll get to, and I'm using blood orange juice.
Oh, those are seasonal.
Because it's,
Hey, we got them here, and we live in the Adirondack Mountains, so you can get them too.
very Christmassy and holiday-ish. I'm going to do a little bit of simple syrup in there. We don't need a lot because the blood orange juice
Blood orange
pretty
juice is
sweet.
very sweet. Yes.
Yeah, it's like a sweet version of orange juice, but it looks so pretty. Now I have Campari.
Oh, for the bitter.
For the little bit of bitter element, I'm just going to add a little tiny bit. I'm going to use a bar spoon so I don't overdo it with the Campari. It doesn't need a lot.
You're lacing it with some bitters.
I'm just adding a little bit of bitter and a little even more of that nice
And more of the red
red color.
beautiful. It's very holiday, honey.
It's very Festivus.
It's very Festivus. It's kind of too fancy for my pantry meal.
Oh, it is?
Well, my meal
I
is
can,
made from canned tuna or leftover rotisserie chicken.
Well, instead of
but you're dressing it up.
Anyway, I have chilled, as you always need to do, your glasses.
Fill the glasses. John gave me these glasses for Christmas a few years ago, and they have reindeer jumping all over them. They're glorious. They're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm scared to touch them. I've never had a drink out of these glasses.
I know, we do not want to break
I'm
these
scared
glasses.
of breaking them because they're vintage, and I've always been too scared to drink out of them. This will be my first.
Oh, look what I'm doing. I'm opening a bottle, it's actually a split, of champagne.
That's bigger than a split. It's like a double split. It's like a half
double
bottle.
split.
It's a half bottle.
Look, this is the proper way you open. You don't want the pop. The pop makes the bubbles
Don't
come out.
want pop.
You want to keep the bubbles in, not the
Very
bubbles
quiet. Gentle twist
pop. Nice
from the
little
bottom.
twist. Keep all the bubbles inside.
Gentle twist from the bottom.
You want a gentle twist from the bottom. Look, I'm pouring and not even looking. Oh, I'm going to do that again. I'm not even looking. I'm so good at my job. And now I have a little orange twist. Just a peel off of an orange.
I'm so scared to touch this.
Twist it over the top. Get those oils.
I'm going to drop it. I'm going to trip
drink.
on the cart or on the cords that come in and out of the wall.
And
Oh my
here we
God,
go.
I'm
This
so
is what I call the Italian 75.
This
You know,
Italian is scared.
Hold on for
Oh
your
my
life.
gosh. Okay, well,
Cheers.
first of all, we always hold cold right from the bottom.
From stem.
Wine always from the stem. Cold or room temperature wine from the stem.
Ooh, I think we have a winner.